Hi guys, today I'll show you about Acura TL, and I'll show you how to reset oil light, means the required light. So once you change your oil and the light went on and you need to reset it, what you want to do is go here. So what you want to do is put the key in, and it shows right there service. If you're on this screen, you might have to scroll down or up, and it should show that, or you might have that already showing service past due. Once you have that, you go here, press this button, hold, and this appears. It goes to this screen, and then you go press OK again, and that's it, and then goes to trip. Once you press that, then you scroll up, keep scrolling up on this thing, and there you go, shows oil life 100%, and that's how you reset this. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.